Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that on the monthly time frame, this is going to continue to trend up. I still think eventually it is going to take out these highs, most likely end up at high, up to one of these higher Fibonacci extended levels. And it still looks to me like a wave C, especially if you look at correlated pairs like the dollar and the euro dollar. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this looks like a running flat wave 2, higher high wave B, higher high wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. I think this is most likely a 1. I still think this is hopefully completed a wave 2, and that it is going to just keep on trending up for a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, this first move up right here is definitely a nice five-wave trend. Looks to me like a wave one. Kind of looks like a five-wave crescent, like an A, B, C, D, E. Definitely went right down to the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, and it is making higher highs, higher lows. So, I mean, it is definitely trending up. The pound is really not that strong as of right now. This is a non-farm payroll week, so we do have to be careful. There's always a possibility that it could go down again. But I am thinking that we possibly already have the end of a wave two, and that if it is already the end of a wave two, then over the coming weeks and months, it should continue on these higher time frames to make higher highs and higher lows. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm still looking at this move up right here as a trend. Hopefully it's a wave one. I still think this is an A, impulsive down, corrective up B, and it's kind of an overlapping trend down, almost like an ending diagonal wave two. Went right down to the 61.8, nice impulsive up, nice break of structure. I think that this will end up continuing up. Like I said, it is non-farm payroll week, so I actually think there's a chance that it may extend into a bigger crescent, almost like a wave two, before it actually does go up for a wave three. But if this whole thing really is a wave three on the longer time frames, like I hope it is, then this could just keep on going up without making a proper ABC crescent on the 4 hour time frame. Going down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, like I mentioned last night, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. This definitely looks like a three-way pattern down. It definitely did bounce off the Fibonacci level. Hopefully, it just keeps on trending up from here. But like I said, a lot of the times on non-farm payroll weeks, the market will be kind of rangy, which kind of makes me think that maybe this is actually supposed to be a trend, and that this move up is actually supposed to be a corrective wave B, and that it may actually go down, break structure, making a wave C, and this ends up being like a 1. This ends up being like a 2, and eventually it goes up for a big wave 3. So either way, I am definitely looking for longs. I would definitely be careful trying to sort it, because sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending up. So I mean, I would be looking for longs, whether it makes a big proper ABC like this or whether it just keeps on trending up from here. Either way, I'm looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.